face. So what are you doing with the powder?
The powder, it gives me the opportunity to outline with one or two fingers where the impact of a fist will go. So we'll give you an outline so that when you do your bruise, the impact is going to be white and around it is going to have a bruise. You typically don't want more than 5 marks with your red. No more than 5. Okay, and then blend.
And now, intermission. Refreshment time.
This flick is making me hungry.
It makes me want to flick my bick.
Cool. Like it? I like that. Okay, so I feel like what we should do now is to make this really like grabby. I feel like we should do like a fake punch. So like if you stand here and pretend to hit me and I go whoa, and I turn into the camera, you know what I mean? And then it'll like freeze frame and that'll be the title of the video. It'll be like bruises.